What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Yonoskid Effect. So today I have something really great to share with you guys, which is how I'm able to turn an $11 account to over $400 in a matter of days, probably 4 days or thereabout. Okay, so I know over time most of the challenges we've been having as traders or beginners who are just coming into the game is lack of capital. So we have this dream of trading with a larger account, probably a substantial amount of like 5k, 10k, or let's say 2k. But many beginner traders or many people out there cannot afford that kind of amount, and most times they feel like, oh, I think trading is not for me. Even if I learn this skill, where do I get this capital from? The only thing I can afford is probably $10 or $11 or thereabout. So the aim of this video is just to encourage you guys that whatsoever amount you can think of, because trading is a game of probability, and when you talk about probability as a case study, it probably means that anything can happen. That is a fact. That means that even your $1 account can turn to $10, and even your $10 account can turn to $100. So I just want to use this video to encourage each and every one of us or young trader out there who may not really have that capital to scale up, but have the vibe or the skills probably to, do some things in the market. I just want to use this video to encourage you guys to continue trading and practicing, mastering what you are learning or mastering what you're doing, because even your smaller account can actually turn into a bigger account. I'll show you the progress of the account and also the kind of trade I've been able to take over these 4 days that have made me to turn this $11 into a 400 or over $400 account. So thank you for $400 account. So like I said, I'm going to show you the progress of the account and also the type of trade I've taken that have enabled me to push this account from $11 to over $400. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to it and also turn on the notification bar, because after this video subsequently I'm still going to update you, because I have the intention of pushing this account from where it is right now to $1k or even more. So I'm going to update you guys on how to do so. So kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bar, and also share this video to families and friends, especially those who you think they are also in the mess of not having trading account, but they are looking forward to grow the little account or the little money they have in their trading account. So kindly make sure you share this video with them. There is a link to the description of this video that contains how you can actually register your trading account with our broker. So kindly make sure to do so if you have not done that. Also, there is a Telegram link which is also in the description of this video. In this Telegram, we share updates and drop free signal for traders or like-minded people that are there to also make money for themselves. So kindly make sure you do so. All right, so I'll take you through the process of the account, the kind of trade I'll be able to take, and we call it a day. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, I just want to show you the history of the account so that you know that I am not capping. All right, so look at the dates. This is from 27th of December 2023 down to 31st December 2023. Okay, so here is the account. You can see between that range of time, withdrawal is $50. That means that I've actually withdraw $50 aside this current price that you're seeing. Okay, let me just show you the equity. You see, this is 353, and I've already withdrawn like $50 already. So if you look here, look at the date. This is 2023 12/27. So this is when actually I started taking trade on this account, and these are just the history of the account. You can see, because risk management is very, very important. So I actually have to manage my risks, look at the kind of losses I was having and compare it to my win. Okay, this is the time I withdrew the $50. Okay, this is the time I withdrew the $50. So I have to apply, because when you have a smaller account like that, you actually want to apply proper risk management. You don't want to take trades that will expose the account. It is after I must have grown the account to some certain level that, okay, I can now increase my risk appetite to some extent. You can see the losses you've been seeing is probably maybe $5, $4, $3, $1. But then when you come to the win, you can see $7, $21. So you can actually try to. So guys, that is the progress of the account so far. So right now, I'm just going to take you to my charts, and then I'll show you the kind of trade I've been able to take. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. All right, so let's move to the charts, and then I can show you some of the things that I've been able to do in terms of marking out my structures, the kind of trade to take, the do's and the don'ts of growing a smaller account like that. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, these are some of the trade I took, and the most important thing I want you guys to get from this section of the trade is the do's and the don'ts while you are trading a smaller account. The first thing you need to understand is you cannot afford to take counter trend. What do I mean by that? You should always trade alongside with the trend. That is the type of trade you should be taking when you are trading alongside with the trend. So sorry, when you are trading or when you want to um, trade a smaller account, you cannot afford to take counter trend because it can reverse against you and you will not be able to stay long in the market. So the this trade I took is just based on technical analysis, just price, sorry, a bullish flag, and then I have to wait for a breakout and retest of the flag, and you can see I took this trade as well, had my first position, skill in my second position, and I think I also okay, I took most of my profit around this region. Then the other trade I took, I also took some sell position or buy rather. Okay, I sold and I also bought. I sold from here. So it's very, very important that you pay attention to understand your market structure. Price action is the key, right? Price action is the key. You understand your market structure. Although this market was actually bearish, the reason I took this counter trend, which is a pullback sell, was because by this time, this trade I took has already moved the account to some certain amount of level. So I have the mind to take this counter trade, all right? So I took this trade from here because what you see, this is a bearish flag. You can see flag is very important. There is a video which I've already made as regard to flag. So if you don't know what they are or how to trade flag, you should do so well to visit it. So I took this trade on the breakouts and retest of this flag, and then I held it down to this level. Then I realized that there was a change or there was a transition that happened around here, because when you check the market has been creating series of lower lows and lower high, lower lows and lower high. But then when it comes to this point, after this lower low has been created, we expect that the market will create a lower high and then crash down. But what happened is that the market decided to break out of this guy, which we call shifting market structure. And on the breakout, I understand that the market is going to go for a pullback buy. So I had this candlestick rejection here, and I'm able to scale in, and I held this trade all the way to this point, to this level. I think I took my profit around this level. So that about V10. The first trade the next one is this V25 for. So V25, I actually did so well with it because I was scaling in from my initial position. As you can see, this is also a bearish flag. I wait for the breakout. So what I did here was kind of more like intuition. What do I mean by that? I was following my instincts, even though I've already applied everything I knew on technical wise, about technical analysis. All right. So I wait for the breakout. I actually scale down to 1 minute to see this breakout. If you go down to 1 minute, you're going to see this market creating. You're going to see this market creating series of lower lows and lower high. You can see the market creating series of lower lows and lower high. The reason why I took this trade from here was because the market created the market came to this point to create a lower low, and then it created a lower high, and then the next lower low causes a break out of this channel. So that is when I know that, oh, it's time for me to enter. And then I had this confirmation with this double bottom here. When the market crashed down, I said to myself that if I enter this market, I'm going to put my stop loss somewhere around this level. That whatever makes this market to break out a bit, to take my SL at this point, it means that the market is going to violate the nature of it being bearish on the 1 minute time frame. So I enter around here, and then my stop loss was here. So I held it down. This is 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Although I took one profit around here, I entered like 3 positions, and I held one as at this. I think I missed this move, but around here I was able to scale in because I was using the 1 minute structure, and then most of my profits ended up somewhere around here because okay, I think here because the market was now having some kind of choppy move. So that's that about that. I also took some trade on V25 1S. You can see that the most trade I've taken is just based on what flag. Just see how these flags are playing out. I took this trade from here, took my profit around here. I think I missed. Okay, I also participated in this. I took this, and this was the last one I took around here, and then although it's this did get to our TP and it's reversed and it's reversed. So currently we're looking forward for more sell because character has been changed, and we have to keep reacting to the market. So the next trade I took is on V51X. All right, it's on V51X. So I think it was around here. Okay, I took trade here. I took some trade around this region and also around this area. But one thing I just wanted to get is that most of the trade I am taking, they are all pro trade. I'm trading alongside with the trend. So when you want to grow your smaller account, go to your higher time frame, check for the trend of the market. Once you identify the trend of the market, you want to come down to your lower time frame. Your lower time frame is going to help you to have a very tight SL and give you higher risk to reward ratio. If you have not watched the video on multi-time frame analysis, kindly make sure you do so that you will know how to navigate the higher time frame. And don't forget to learn about flag as well. Chart patterns, they are also very important. So that is that about this video. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you've learned something. I hope you are motivated. Don't forget to give us a thumb up, and if you are new to this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to it because like I said, I'm going to update you guys on the progress of the account, although I may be doing some withdrawal because withdrawal is also part of trading. Do some withdrawal, and I will also continue scaling it up to any level I can. All right. So God bless you. Thank you for staying to the end of this video once more. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, and if you are yet to open your trading account, do so with our broker. The links are in the description of the video. God bless you guys. Stay tuned. No skid case.